Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 available on Android devices? So, I already installed the application what Samsung offer for the earbuds, and if we open it, you can see that I already add these earbuds to the application. So my short answer is yes, the application for your earbuds available on Android devices. But if you don't know how to install and set up the application or how to add these earbuds to the application, you can check videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.